Right, today's task is actually, I'm trying to top up the beds. So we've opened this compost bin up. As you can see, it's still very woody and bitty, but that'll be fine. Just pick the big bits out. So yeah, so better crack on. Right, quick look at what I sieved out of my homemade compost. So yeah, really pleased with that. That will make potting on, because I haven't actually got any bought compost at all. I will need to get some, but this is going to do well for potting on a lot of things. So yeah, so I'm trying not to spend anything, to be quite honest, but I know I will, but as little as possible anyway. I've not bought any compost so far this year, she says. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Looks some really nice stuff. Yes.